Now we go to a game called Sound Effects. This is going to feature Ryan and Archie. Ryan is going to act out an everyday scene, and Archie is going to provide the sound effects for it by using that microphone I've just given to him. When I say an everyday scene, can you suggest some piece of everyday activity you might do around about the house? Travelling on the train's a good suggestion. You can start at home and get to... Well, it's not a particularly good suggestion, maybe. Yeah, going on the train. So
Subway.
Subway, train, and...
Your attention, please. Your attention, please. The subway is now out of service.
Okay, thank you very much. Settle out there. Jolly good. Okay. Yeah, well, all action for 9 points each there.